got here a little late, but I got here. Yeah, looks beautiful. Yeah. So it started off in a bad sort of way. One of the first group of archaeologists who came here, of course, they didn't know what they were looking at. So in order for them to get a real understanding, or so they thought, of this site, was to dig a trench straight through it. They did that, and the rubble was thrown here and there, and it caused a lot of problem because the old rubble was mixed in with the newer one and the old layers were disturbed. But anyway, over the years, archaeologists have worked hard to try to make sense of it, and they have done that. They have a good idea now of what is what, and they're in the process of restoring, rebuilding some of it. But you know, Troy is not like, say, you know, Machu Picchu or Angkor Wat. It has a lot of work to be done, but it will get done. It's a cash cow for the Turkish government. I mean, thousands come here monthly. So it's a big drawer of tourists. Now, what we see here is towards the Aegean Sea, and it has retreated about 3 kilometers from the original site. Troy was a port. What has been done is extraordinary. I mean, this place was just a pile of rubble mixed with different eras, different countries, different cultures, and the archaeologists have worked very hard to make some sense of it. I'm very glad to be here. Troy was a mystery. We could read about it in books and hear about it in poetry, but where was it? Nobody knew. Yeah, the signboard here goes on to explain that different archaeologists dug different trenches, and it really was a mess. But anyway, it will be resolved. These are called the citadel walls. Okay. Amazing, amazing. Dug different trenches, and it really was a mess. But anyway, it will be resolved. These are called the citadel walls. Okay.